This is Xavier Martin with M&F Plumbing and General Contracting. I'm at 5408 Angora Terrace for Mr. Morris Davis. Our first issue in this line is right here along the edge of the foundation in the basement, right where this stack ties in. Right here, lines the crunch right here, and we've got negative slope going forward. I'll show you what's going on inside. So as you see, we go into the line and we're immediately underwater because this area has negative slope. Going underwater for a really long time because of all of this negative slope. And when we get out of there, somewhere in between the basement and the front yard. So as we keep going forward, start to get outside, we still have water holding at the bottom of this line. And then we get outside, there's another area where we become submerged again, where you have negative slope. We get through that into another area with negative slope. Sorry about the camera, I got a loose wire in there somewhere. And we switch over to cast iron. We are outside. Everything looks okay with the cast iron except for this area right here. That's an area for concern. That's a bad connection. Probably got dirt and other things coming in there. You shouldn't have that big of a gap between lines. We're going to eventually hit the curb trap. Not before hitting another belly though. You have multiple bellies along your line, all the way to the sidewalk. And then it's just completely submerged. So, I will be quoting, I've quoted to replace the line up to the curb trap, and so they have to come take care of the rest. This is Xavier Martin with M&F Plumbing and General Contracting, signing out.